Okay, well, I got a while here. I took this apart, and I took this off, saw the diodes, and then, the photo transistors, blew it out, very low pressure air, oiled up the shaft. Look at this crap. It's working. So I ordered 2 diodes for nothing. How you done? Got it working. I went by this guy's advice on one of the YouTube videos. So guess what? His idea worked. Whoever you are, I forgot, but thanks. And here we go up. So I'm not going to put it all back together. The most fun part. Yeah. It worked. Just took it out, oiled her up, and remount. Took that 2 screws out, took it out, blew it slightly. Some dry air from a little doohickey, a little, like a camera thing, like guy did, and no, it wasn't a YouTube video. It was on the groups, user groups, and about it. Easy. She working. How about that? Let's see. Let's go to megahertz. Yeah, this thing was going crazy before. Whew. Anyway, how about that? Oops. Oh, now I'll put it back together. Oh, the fun part. Take it easy. 73.